Hey people, so this is something I really have to say. I feel if you want to test the strength of a friendship or relationship or anything, but friendship mostly, uh, strength, the if you want to test the bond between two people, don't just observe how things are during happy times. See how whether you all are able to bounce back after a kind of a little bit of a disagreement or something. So keeping that in mind, I have to say, yeah, I've found this friend through Instagram, this female friend Soundarya, and my god, much like her name Soundarya, which means beautiful, she is such a beautiful person to know, like basically I do tarot readings, so that's how we got connected. Like, she wanted a few readings and all, and but in between, like, there was a like, I had gone and adopted these kittens who were like driving me mad. And she and me, we were supposed to meet, but then I cancelled because basically I had to look after those kittens, and it was all my mind was so fuzzy. I was like a new parent looking after those kittens. I was like very cranky and very so that's what. For a short while, we weren't in touch, but now she, from her end, though I was the one who I vanished from her orbit. Like, on Instagram, right? You can just neatly just stay away or whatever. But from her end, she reached out to me again. Though I was the one who did the vanishing. I mean, technically, I should have been the one reaching out back to her, but it was so sweet. Yeah, I've not seen too many people who give you that second chance in life. Like, in terms of, I mean, think of it. Yeah, people, everybody has fragile egos, right? If you suddenly like block them, and then you know they might never again come back into your world. But Soundarya, being the cute, my god, yeah, she actually looks like this film star Seerath. If you Google, this Tollywood star, so she's as pretty as this film star. So uh, but really, yeah, so I just want to say, Soundarya, thank you. I mean, I've not met too many people who will be so kind. And so when you meet someone so kind, you should just, more people should know of it. And she does these paintings that are like, I have a painting of a mother and child. I'll show it to you all. So it's so that's what it was done by Soundarya. You can check it out on Instagram. It's on Instagram. So she did it. So, and she says that within, for like 1,500 bucks, she would be able to do it for someone else. Like, because it is such a pretty sketch that while I was getting it framed, when I had to walk and take it and go, three people randomly kind of wanted to find out, where did you get this sketch. And it was of that caliber, that stature, that random strangers are tempted to ask, where did you get it from. So really, Soundarya, thank you so much for being a part of my life. I mean, I think I'm just plain lucky to have met you. And I truly believe this, that to be able to meet nice people also is a kind of kismat. So Soundarya is my beautiful kismat. So thank you, Soundarya. I felt I had to make this video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.